So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mash from TechMash and today I'm going to show you that how you can add or remove your Microsoft account from your Windows PC. So here you can see that I am currently running on Windows 11. So if you have an Windows 10 or other versions of Windows, the process will be same. So I will first show you that how you can add your Microsoft account. If in your PC you already have added the Microsoft account and want to know how you can remove your Microsoft account, then follow the timestamp in the video and go to the remove part. So first just go to the search option and then click on this settings icon here. You can also search for the settings icon and then you need to click on this account settings. So just here at the left side you can see the accounts option. So after clicking on here, then click on your info. So here you can see that I currently don't have the Microsoft account added. So first I will show you that how you can add it. So here you can see this is a local account. So here it is saying local account and here is the option account settings. Here it is saying sign in with a Microsoft account instead. So just click on here and then you need to put your Microsoft email and password, Microsoft accounts email and password. So let me put my email first and then click on next. And now let me put my password here and then click on sign in. So here you need to put your current Windows password. So if you have a local account, then type the current Windows password here one last time. Then click on next. So now here you can create a pin. So just click on next to create a pin. So just here click on next. And now let's set up a new pin here and then just click on OK. So now you need to verify again. So click on verify and then you would receive an email to the email you have provided. So just click on here, verify your identity. Just click on your email and then you would receive an OTP code from Microsoft. So just type the code here and then click on verify. So now you can see that we have added our Microsoft account in our Windows 11. So now let's talk about how you can remove your Microsoft account. So to remove your Microsoft account, go to your settings. So you can also search for your settings in the search option. And then at the left side, click on this account section here. And then here you need to click on your info. So here you can see the option in the account setting. It is saying sign in with a local account instead. So just click on here. And then here it is saying, are you sure you want to switch? So if you are sure, then click on next. And then here you need to put your password here to verify your identity. So we have put our Microsoft accounts password and then you need to put your username, your local username, and then you need to put a new password and then confirm it again. So let's put the password again in the confirm password section and then let's put a hint here and then let's click on next. So here we are clicking on sign out and finish. So now our PC will be sign out from our Microsoft account. So now your PC will restart to your local account. So now if we just click here, then here you can see that this is the local account we have just created right now. So now we will put our pin here and then click on enter. So that's it. That's how you can add or remove your Microsoft account in your Windows 11 PC. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from TechMash and I'm signing out.